Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Shiba Inu at number 1, followed by AVAX, Toncoin, TRX, MATIC, Uniswap, and then we'll end it with Bitcoin Cash at number 20. Let's get straight into it. Shiba Inu against USDT. Shiba Inu is in a consolidation. Again, long-legged dojis over here on the daily. So we are assuming that a consolidation is happening, right? You can see that these are like lower highs and high low. Squeeze is happening, boys and girls. So we're anticipating a continuation towards the upside. Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for Shiba Inu. Any targets for us? I would like to see a clear chart pattern first. Right? At this point of time, we're severely overbought. Doesn't mean we can't go any higher, but from a trading standpoint, we need some chart patterns for us to derive targets from. AVAX against BTC. Here we are for AVAX. If you look at Avalanche, Avalanche is still above the skinny pink line. I think this could be... I mean, if we were to continue any higher for AVAX, I think it's a good sign to make entries. Buy low, sell high. Right, I think the next up wave is coming. This looks like a 1, 2, 3 in the making for 5. So in my opinion, I think AVAX still has more upside. It's very important that we do not cross the skinny pink line. Of course, things can always go wrong, for AVAX against BTC. But as it stands, we are anticipating a reversion towards the upside. We are expecting the uptrend to continue because this is a falling channel. And this is A, B, C. Ta-da! I think there will be a move towards the upside. Right. Not really that obvious yet, but that's the expectation for AVAX BTC. Against USD. So if you look at AVAX against USD, we are... Okay, what I don't like about AVAX USD is this is a higher high. And this is a lower high on the MACD, lower high on the RSI. There's a loss of strength for AVAX USD. So I don't really like this. Sure, we can go higher, of course. But yeah, we don't have any clear, obvious targets for AVAX at this point of time. So yeah, but we're still leaning bullish. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias for AVAX. Polkadot, dot against BTC. Here we are for Polkadot. Polkadot is potentially completing a double bottom, and then there could be a reversal. We're not too sure. The chart patterns just aren't really that obvious. Oh, okay, I think we're about to reverse for .BTC. So I think Polkadot is about to do something great. I think Polkadot is about to reverse from here. Okay, let me tell you why. Just when I switched to the weekly, right, I saw a hammer. Hammers are more likely than not bullish reversal chart patterns, as shooting stars are bearish reversal chart patterns. If you see it on a higher time frame, like a weekly or a monthly, it's very, very powerful. So we're anticipating Polkadot to do pretty well eventually. Dot against USDT, that's against BTC. If BTC does well, if the BTC pair does well, very likely the USD pair is going to do well too. So dot against USD is above the skinny pink line, so we're still expecting more upside to come for Polkadot. Plus, we're very likely in a wave 3. 1, 2, wave 3. Wave 4, wave 5. So more upside for Polkadot. Right now, we just grazed through double digits. So again, some consolidation would be expected. But if this is a wave 3, normally wave 3 will be quite aggressive. The wheels are normally quite aggressive, but we'll see how it goes. We're still leaning bullish for Polkadot, and we still expect more upside, as is confirmed by the .BTC pair weekly hammer. So we're leaning bullish, really bullish for Polkadot. The thing is, the targets are not that obvious. Yes, we are aware there's a noisy area over here, there's another one over here, and obviously over here. So if I had to guess, the target, we're probably going to take it out though anyway. About $21. And after that, we will go to probably take out these highs over here. So this will be 29, 21, 29. And then as we go up here, 44 will be a good out target. So that's Polkadot for you. We could take out the highs, but as it stands, I don't expect it to happen. Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for Polkadot. Toncoin. Ton has been blasting off. Ton against BTC is up. You can see this big green candlestick, but no clear chart patterns for Ton BTC. If you switch to Ton USD, you'll be able to see it more clearly. So Ton USD has already broken out of the ascending triangle. Value 1, value 2, value 3 are out. So more upside, yes. For Ton, we have a target, ta-da, $13.50. Beware though, there's huge target over here, huge volume over here. So yeah, but anyway, we have a target over here at $13.50. We're only at $3.70. Much more upside to come for Telegram. I don't know what's happening in Telegram, but potentially, much more upside. Right. Again, we're already overbought, so we'll be wise to wait for a consolidation first. I don't know if we're going to be revisiting the support over here, but this will be awesome. Right. Wait for the reversal back up, consolidate, continue higher. Right. So yeah, and if anything, I had to guess that we're probably in the midst of a wave 3. Wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. So yes, $13.50 is the target for not Telegram, the open network. It's Ton, the open network, right? Link against BTC. Anything for Chainlink? Chainlink is okay. This is not something I want to see. Chainlink has touched the skinny pink line again. So it's like, yo, bro, Sergey, comrade, what's happening, comrade? Are we gonna hit lower? All we know is that there's a clear resistance over here. There has been touched once and twice and 3 times. So a reversal eventually, sure. Any signs of a reversal yet? No. Let's shift to the weekly. Anything obvious? Yeah, there was a hammer over here, but it's actually selling pressure, so we don't really like it. So Chainlink is looking not too good against BTC. Against USD, we are already above the skinny pink line, and we remain with our bullish bias for Chainlink, right? But we're not too sure. The targets just really, I mean, the chart pattern just really isn't that obvious, right? Yeah, no. Chainlink is a no-go from a trading standpoint. Tron TRX BTC is super weak, right? We were anticipating a symmetrical triangle to complete, but it did not come. What happened? We sliced through the support, and yeah, we're hitting a resistance area, sorry, a support area over here, right? Very noisy area. So we're hitting the tippy tops of the noisy area. So of course we could still hit lower, but it's not looking good, bro. It's not looking good. Yeah, so I'd be careful while going to Tron. You can see it on the BTC pair. It's not good. Against USD, yeah, could this be the very end of the move? Could Tron be coming down for a wave C? Yes. Very nice squeeze. Tron breaks out. Justin Sun, yes, no? We're not too sure. We are not too sure. MATIC! So MATIC has been mucking around for some time, right? And you can see that there's a rise in volume. So I suspect that the wheels are shifting over BTC into MATIC. And there could be a reversal soon. We don't see it yet. This is something like a falling channel. And yeah, there could be a reversal soon. We're not too sure though. We're not too sure. Yes, on the weekly, there is a hammer over here. You can see it. But still no guarantees yet. Right. We can't say for sure. Yeah, there is a consolidation over here. So if on the smaller time frames we see something bullish, then yeah, more likely than not we could be reversing. Right. Once we reverse back up, hopefully we get some sort of a right shoulder. Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder. Skinny pink line comes down. Goes up. Ooh, we break out for MATIC BTC. Yes, no? MATIC against USD is also very overextended. Not exactly overbought, but yeah, we could do a bit of a retrace though. Right, I would assume that we're already out of the symmetrical. Or out. And yeah, it will be wise to wait for a retrace. Where will be a good entry? I think the wheels might have a lightning zip down, zoop, and then it goes back up. So maybe around these areas, right? We might do a clean sweep of these two lows at around 92 cents and 90 cents. Again, we're not entirely sure. I think that there should be a reversal, but I don't see any bearishness for MATIC USD. So MATIC could just go on a reaper towards the upside. So yeah, but anyway, we still should be waiting for a retrace first. It'd be wise to wait for a retrace. But anyway, our target for MATIC still stands at $9 and $12. Uniswap, Uni against BTC. Uni started coming back to life, but it got slapped back down. Rose up, slapped down. So I think we're consolidating above the skinny pink line, which is good. Something we want to see. Continuation towards the upside would be great. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something like that. And we complete the inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder here, head here, right shoulder, skinny pink line starts curving up. Woohoo! Will we get that? We're not too sure. Uni against USDT. Here we are for Uni. Anything for Uniswap? Yes, sir. We have a target over here. $25. So we are at $14. More upside. Yes, sir. More upside is to be expected for Uniswap. Could we be in a consolidation for a little bit? Yes, sir. I see two hammers here. It's a double hammer. So yeah, more upside to be expected for Uniswap. We are already severely overbought, but there's a double hammer over here. So the likelihood of us continuing higher is there. Sure, we might do something like this first before continuing. But we're buyers bullish for Uniswap and we're expecting it to head towards $25. Bitcoin Cash, BCH against BTC. What's up, Roger? What's up, Roger? BCH against BTC is still on a downer. We're still on a downward trend for Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Right, again, if you had swapped your Bitcoin Cash for BTC right at the beginning, you would have done so much better. Any clear signs of a reversal for Bitcoin Cash against BTC? No. Anything bullish? Yeah, no. This was actually nice. Nice big move up. Probably got slapped back down. So will this low hold? Could we come back lower? It doesn't look that good. It doesn't look that good, boys and girls. But Bitcoin Cash against USD is looking good. We're above the skinny pink line and we anticipate Bitcoin Cash to stay above the skinny pink line. More upside to be expected? Yes, sir. More upside to be expected. How much higher do I think we can go? About 1,000. That's my guess. But yeah, it's just not that obvious at this point of time, right? There was a nice consolidation here. Broke out. See this accumulation. Breakout. So another accumulation, consolidation, kind of a sideways move would be great though. But it's important that we stay above the skinny pink line. As long as you're above it, yeah, it should be great. So more upside to be expected for Bitcoin Cash. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's Top 20. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have not watched it yet, please do check out yesterday's Top 10. Have a great Tuesday. See you. Ta-ta.